Using a compass and straight edge, construct a regular hexagon inscribed in circle O. Leave all construction marks. So the app that I'm using actually does not have a virtual compass or straight edge. So what I will do is I will narrate the various steps that you should take. If you were to have a compass and straight edge, you should be able to follow along. I will be drawing the various markings that you should be making with your compass and straight edge. Okay, so we want to inscribe a hexagon inside of this circle. So to do that, okay, what we really want to do is, first off, let's draw a diameter. And why do I want to draw a diameter? So take a straight edge, line it up so that the edge is up against the center of the circle there. It doesn't matter whether the line that you draw is a little off, like not perfectly horizontal. It really doesn't matter, because the point is we want to measure out the radius of the circle. If we have an understanding of the radius of the circle, we can then inscribe things inside of it. Okay? So one of the things that we did in the geometry class is, if we take our compass, place our pin on the edge of the circle there, right there, and place the lead at the center of the circle, your compass now is open to the length of the radius. What you want to do is you want to mark the edge of the circle with that compass setting. Why am I doing that? Well, that's because in a hexagon, a regular hexagon that is, right? If you connect all the diagonals together, what you're going to form is you're going to form 6 congruent equilateral triangles. And that's essentially what we're doing here. The length of the radius here, okay, has already been measured by your compass. So what you're going to do now is you're going to pick up your compass, you're going to place the pin on the marking that you just made, and you're going to then mark the edge of that circle there with your compass. You pick up the compass, place your pin on the intersection of the new marking that you've made, and you're going to make another mark, a third mark. And if you make this third mark, what should happen is that mark should intersect with the diameter. And we continue this marking going around the circle. And if you did all this correctly, you should land back on the place where you started. So all of these markings, all of these intersections will form the vertices of the hexagon. You take your straight edge, you connect the points of intersections. You take your straight edge, you connect the points of intersections, and that right there is the hexagon inscribed inside of a circle.